Hi everyone and welcome to another video. This is going to be my suhoor routine when I can actually wake up. I've already missed 2 and it's only day 8. This video is also a collaboration with 3 other lovely mummy YouTubers who you may already know. First we have Shamsa. If you don't know Shamsa, where have you been? This lovely mummy has 6 kids. She is the definition of super mum and honestly I do not know how she does it all. Mashallah. She has so many lovely recipes on her channel and I just love watching her videos. She's so funny. And then we have Salma. Salma is a mum of 3 boys, a 7-year-old, a 5-year-old and a 6-month-old baby. Mashallah, her videos are so lovely and I just enjoy watching her. She's so calming. And last but not least, we have Marwa Chebi. Marwa is a mum of 4 and she just gave birth recently to a new addition during lockdown, which is so interesting, and she was actually on Channel 4 on the news. Marwa has a lot of amazing videos including vlogs, recipes and hauls. With all that said, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I am a mum of 2. I have a daughter called Elisa who's 4 and Isa is my 2nd child. He is going to be 2 in July. I make a lot of videos, I vlog a lot and I share a lot of recipes. I do a lot of cleaning videos and hauls, and I also talk about how I lost 4 stone in a year. Quite a lot because I'm actually proud of it. But anyway, I'm so glad you're here and I really do hope that you enjoy my videos. If you do, then please subscribe to my channel. Now without further ado, let's get on with the suhoor routine. The first thing I do when I wake up is usually go to the loo if I need to, and I always wash my face to wake myself up, usually with cold water because I cannot be bothered to wait for the tap to turn warm. And then I head downstairs and go into the kitchen. My 3rd alarm of the morning goes off at 3:15. I set one every 5 minutes to make sure that I'm awake. Now I'm grabbing my easy suhoor, which is coconut overnight oats, which is so delicious. I'm not even joking. I prepared this last night. So let's go back to yesterday and I will show you exactly how I made it. Just gonna add some oats. Add some desiccated coconut. Honey. Oopsie, you've got oats in there. Oh, don't like it when that happens. 1 tablespoon of honey. 1 tablespoon of Greek style yogurt. Milk. This, can you see? It looks like this. And then once you leave it for a few hours in the fridge, it softens up the oats and makes it perfect to eat for suhoor. Ready for the fridge? So now that you know how I made it, it's time to add the toppings. I'm going to add some almonds and I don't have any other fruit except for plums, so this will have to do. I'm cutting it up into small pieces and placing it on top of the oats. And then I hear someone crying upstairs, so I have to run upstairs. It's Elisa who woke up. This is the 2nd time this Ramadan she's woken up with me, and honestly, I really don't mind. I love just talking to her and spending that alone time with her at this crazy hour. Now back to the oats. I am now adding a teaspoon of peanut butter and also a teaspoon of my all-time fave, Nutella. I've been so good this Ramadan, honestly. I haven't had as many sweet treats as I've been craving. I've just tried to resist everything as much as possible, so having a teaspoon of Nutella on my oats in the morning is my little treat. And then it's time to get started on drinking some water, which I should have done as soon as I came down, which I usually do, but I didn't, so I'm gonna start now. Better late than never. I'm about to sit down to eat when Elisa decides she needs the toilet. Of course, as soon as I want to eat, she needs the toilet. So of course I take her and then I come back and start eating. I know it doesn't look amazing, but it actually tasted great. Me and Elisa just sat and talked while I ate. I did ask her if she wanted to eat something herself, but she said no. And then she decided she wanted to do some drawing. I try to drink as much water as I can, so I refill my glass every time I finish it. I drink the water really fast. Also, every morning my family send messages to the family group chat on WhatsApp to make sure everyone's awake. If someone doesn't reply, we try calling that person. And this morning we had a little bit of a chat. I can't remember what we were talking about because it was so early in the morning, but we were having a little conversation. And then it's time to have a bit more water and a time check. Then I thought, hang on, what time are we closing it today? So I checked on my calendar on my phone and it was 3:54 today. Then when I finished eating, it was time to head upstairs. I don't usually carry my 4-year-old upstairs, but as it was 4 AM and she was super tired and asked me if I would, of course I did say yes. Now it's time to brush my teeth before closing my fast. Elisa wanted to brush hers after she saw me doing mine. Then I changed out of my hoodie and made my wudu ready to pray Fajr. Then changed into something covering to pray in. Before praying Fajr, I usually sit in our Ramadan prayer corner, which I made specially for this Ramadan, and read some Quran. But because Elisa was awake, she wanted me to read this book to her, which is called I Say Mashallah. I got it from a website called Salam Occasions, and I will link it in the description below if you want to go buy them. After we finished reading the book, it was time to pray Fajr. Elisa wanted to pray with me, but she didn't want to wear a scarf. She's so funny. Mashallah, she tries her best to follow along. It's so cute. I love it. And then after we pray, it's time to go to sleep, as I have to be up between 7 and 8 with the kids. So that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!